This is our smoked ham. It took a little, about 2 hours to cook it at 225 degrees. It was just a fully cooked ham now. And what makes it so absolutely wonderful is the flavor intensity. We smoked it with an apple brandy in the water, also pineapple juice, and we marinated with brown sugar, pineapple juice, and apple brandy. And then the chips we used was applewood and hickory. And we also used some of them dry and some of them wet. And the intensity of flavor in this ham is absolutely fantastic. I cannot, tell you anything other than if you were here tasting it yourself, you wouldn't stop eating it. Like my wonderful boyfriend hasn't stopped eating it since he started slicing it. But that's okay. When you look at this is just another recipe that is in my DDK Recipe Books. Meat infused with liquor, sauces infused with liquor, desserts infused with liquor. It is fabulous, and it is so easy to do and add that extra kick and texture to all your meals. And it's simple, and it's easy, and it's not complicated, and it's wonderful. And it's good for you. You're not having an alcoholic drink, okay? You're having the intensity that alcohol brings to desserts, to meats, to salads, to sauces. Get my books, DDK Recipe Books by Jana Llanos, and find out for yourself. They are some of the best recipes you're ever going to see. You're never going to see them anyplace else except in my books. Get a hold of me at 612-859-3270. I look forward to speaking to you, foodies, and enjoy this because you're going to absolutely want this recipe. Bye for now.